Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind.
Hello friends, do you know what kind of fish are angelfish? If not, this video is for you and watch it to the end. And if you love aquaristics, then please subscribe to my channel. Angelfish are hardy and relatively easy fish to care for. They are a great choice for beginners, as long as they can be provided with the basic care they need. Read on to learn how to care for these angelic tropical fish. Water quality. The most important requirement for keeping healthy angelfish is to provide them with excellent water quality. Without good filtration and regular maintenance, the water in your tank can quickly become toxic. Your filter and the beneficial bacteria that colonize it will do a lot of the hard work in maintaining your water quality. You will also have to get your hands wet on a regular basis, however, and perform partial water changes and vacuum the bottom of the tank. Aquarium maintenance is a great chance to get hands-on with your tank and really get a feel for what's going on in your underwater world. Apart from keeping your freshwater aquarium looking great, regular maintenance is necessary for keeping nitrate levels in the water down to safe levels, and this requires partial water changes. Freshwater angelfish are relatively hardy, especially if captive bred. Provided they are kept in an appropriately sized tank, you can probably get away with a small water change once a week or a larger one every second week. The volume and frequency of your water changes will be determined largely by the bioload in your tank and other factors like how heavily you feed your pets. In any case, your test kit will be very helpful in working out how much maintenance is necessary.
Feeding angelfish are omnivorous fish that are easy to feed. Cichlid pellets or tropical fish flakes are great options as staple food sources. To provide your fish with a more balanced diet, be sure to supplement them with live and frozen foods like bloodworms and boiled, blanched vegetables like peas and zucchini. You can feed your fish once or twice a day, but be careful to avoid overfeeding. As a general rule, do not put more food into the tank than your fish can finish in about 2 minutes. Tankmates. While your angelfish will be very peaceful towards other species, they can be a little aggressive towards other angelfish of the same species. To minimize aggression, make sure you keep a group of at least 4 or so. This helps to prevent anyone from getting picked on. You can also keep a single angelfish in a large community tank. When selecting tank mates, be sure to avoid any aggressive species or known fin nippers like tiger barbs that can damage the long fins of your angels. Although their mouths are pretty small, it is wise to remember that freshwater angelfish are fairly large community fish and will eat any other fish or shrimp that is small enough for them to swallow. The following species are all good tankmate options. Larger peaceful tetras like the black skirt and Congo tetras. Avoid nano tetras like ember tetras, bristlenose pleco corridoris, catfish clown loaches. No matter which fish you choose to keep with your angels, be sure that they enjoy the same warm water temperature and other parameters. Thanks for watching the video. Who keeps angelfish? Write your experiences in the comments. Goodbye.
Need to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home.